Can you see yourself in the 2022 Toyota Prius? With less than 35,000 miles on the... This smooth, efficient Prius will surpass your expectations with its impressive range of features. From its sculpted lines to its suite of safety and connectivity technology to its roomy, comfortable cabin. This midsize hybrid hatchback inspires the confidence you need to manage your busy lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Make this Prius your partner in comfort and efficiency. Hop into the driver's seat and let us take care of the rest.